Hi and welcome to our spoken English series of greetings where we are practicing the known structures and we are continuing with has and have. Let us see what do we have in today's lesson. We are looking at the written structure and the spoken structure. In the written structure, we have the expanded form, he has. In the spoken structure, we have the contractions of he has, that is, his. Let us begin. He has. He has given me the book. His. He has given me the book. He has not. He has not written the essay. He hasn't. He hasn't written the essay. Has he not? Has he not written the essay? Hasn't he? Hasn't he written the essay? She has. She has spoken to me. She has. She has spoken to me. She has not. She has not spoken to me. She hasn't. She hasn't spoken to me. Has she not? Has she not spoken to you? Hasn't she spoken to you? Has he? Has he spoken to you? Has he spoken to you? You must have seen that in this exercise we have used the known structures and we have practiced the question form. Let us see what task do we have today. You are talking to your son's or your daughter's teacher regarding homework and speaking about the homework or the essay. Greet the person using the greetings for a friendly meeting. Ask a question about the homework. Listen carefully to the reply. Allow the teacher to ask a question about speaking regarding the essay. Reply using the structure, that is known structure, what has been taught to you. Structure means the sentence that I have taught. Thank the teacher or the parent and then take leave. Let us see one of the samples that we have ready with us. I have used the known structure that we have been practicing so far, which is in blue, and the new structure that we have practiced today is in black. The red, I have not taught this structure to you, but if you can build it naturally, try using it. I am not reading the names, that is Sadia and Mariam, the conversations between the two. I am reading only the conversation. Let me begin. Hello, Mariam. Hello, teacher. How are you, Mariam? I'm fine, thank you, teacher. What about you? I'm fine too. You have called me regarding my daughter's homework. Yes, she's not studying well. Has she not written the essay? No, she hasn't written the essay. Hasn't she spoken to you about the homework or essay? No, she hasn't spoken to me about the homework or essay. I have noted, teacher. It was a pleasure talking to you. Same here. Take care. I will, thank you. Have a good day. I will, thanks. Bye. If you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get the notification when I upload the next series of this video. Thank you.